at the end, till the end. Okay, in this video I am going to say you how you can add unlimited members in your Facebook group. Okay, what I mean unlimited member means whatever friends you have in your Facebook, one time you can add all your friends in Facebook. Okay, so again, if you want to increase your group members, then whoever join in that group, they can also in, invite all their friends once, so they make automatically join to their group. So what I mean, suppose I have here 933 friends in my Facebook group. So I have several group here. So if I want to include all my friends inside this my group, then group at once, okay, I can include, because it is easy. So this 933 people will be included in this group. So again, if I want to increase more, then whoever join in this group, they can again increase, say whatever friend they have, they can include in this group. So you will understand later on. So for this one you need one Chrome add-ons extension, okay, Chrome extension called group invite all. So you need to install this plugin. Okay, so just go to your Google, then just type group invite all. So this is really going to be interesting. I have some group, okay, actually this is not my Facebook account, this is my friend's Facebook account. Okay, just before I take his permission to open this, so I can invite more friends, whatever friend he have, to include in my group. Okay, so whatever he has friends, all I included in my group. Okay, so now all his friends is member of my group. So what to do in group, just type here group invite all. It should be in your Chrome, okay, but it's your, this should be in your Chrome. This is Chrome extension, so it will work only in Chrome. So click in that extension. Okay, so you can simply, I have already added this extension here, so I am not going to do anything. Okay, so if you have not done this one, so when you click on group invite all this extension, it will ask for you to install. Just add to Chrome. After then, when you add it to Chrome, it will at your browser sidebar, it will see seen like this icon. Okay, group invite all. So after you have set up, go to your Facebook account, so go to your group. So any group, here is several group, right? So if you want to increase the member for any groups, this is any group, either this is your group or anyone else group, you can increase the member, whatever you can include your all friends inside that group. Okay, so whatever group is that, you can make your all friend list the member of this group. So but this is beneficial for only to make for our group, right? So if it is any else group, then there will be obviously no any meaning to may increase member for that group, right? So check your group, for which group you want to go through, right? So I have here some group I have already liked. So I want to increase the member in this group. Okay, so just click this group. After then, this group is open. Then you can click this icon. Okay, just double click this icon. This is group invite all. Then here you can see 0 added, 42 already added, 0 want request join the group, 0 friends process, 897 more to go. So 897 balance friends will be added to this group automatically. So click on start adding. So see here, they are being added to that group. So all friends will be member of this group. So you can see here, now the member is 564, so it is increasing group. 20 friends, 23 friends. So whom this group belongs, who is the admin of this group, it will send for notification for member request, member approval request. So from there he should approve this group. Okay, so when he approve when he approve the member request to join, then obviously all this group will come to member will come to this group. So same way I increased this member also 564. Before there was no any members, right? So some of friends account I take their friend list in my group member. Okay, so my group member is increased. So if some people is being added in your group one by one, then obviously it will take long time to grow the member of our Facebook group, right? So this is the easiest and simplest way to get huge and unlimited members for our group. So, and another tips is there. So now all these people are the member of our group. Okay, so if and they have several friends in their Facebook account, so they can also do same thing. They can invite all, they can include all their friends same way in that group. Okay, so for that they need to install same this plugin, and they should go through same process. Or if you have some colleagues, and you can ask him that you need to log in his account to, so that because you want to get some of his friend list in your group, you can ask him. So if he give you permission, obviously you can go through like this. This is not hacking anything, not hacking, because we are authorizing our friends, or just providing our friend list to like that group. Okay, so this is not hacking, this is not illegal work, this is our friends, and we are providing our friends suggestion and chance to join that group, right? So now you can see, now my group 159 members are added in my group, 161, 162, it is increasing, right? So as much as friends are there in our Facebook group, they all became the member of our Facebook group. So thank you for seeing this video. Hope this video helped you in amazing way, right, to get your Facebook group member in huge number. So if you like this my video, please subscribe my channel, and if you ask, and because when you click subscribe you will get one bell notification. Please click that bell notification also to get any future updates, so that you will not miss any video. So here is some very informative video, so you can go through this all video. Thank you for seeing this video.